What is up guys, it is Eunice Edits here, back with a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make good quality content with just your PS4. I couldn't fit all those things in my title, so I just reckoned, hey, why not do creating good content from just your PS4. And without further ado, let's begin this video. So the basic equipment you need is a USB stick. I have a 16GB USB stick, and if you want to record your voice in these videos you will need a mic. This is a £9 mic, cheap mic, and it works perfectly. The audio you are hearing here and is probably better than the ones that cost about £50. Then you need your editing software, and the editing software I use is Sony Vegas. It's a really good editing software and I got it for free. And if you want to make a thumbnail, I personally use Photoshop. And if you guys like my mechanical keyboard, I'll link it down in the description if you want to go ahead and buy it for yourself. So the first thing you want to do is pick your game where you want to record your gameplay. Then once you're in the game, you want to go ahead and double tap the share button, and an icon like this will pop up. Then you can just start playing the game and start getting the clips that you want for your video. Once you're finished, just double tap the share button again, and an icon like this will pop up on your screen. Then you want to go to the home button and go to capture gallery and pick on the game that you recorded your video on. Then you want to plug your USB in one of the two slots in your PS4. Then you want to click the options button and go to copy to USB and click copy, then OK. Then a screen like this will pop up and you will need to wait until the bar is all the way to the end and it will be copied in your USB. Then plug it into your computer and go to the editing software and click open, and then find the file of where your PS4 video is on your USB drive, and the video should be there. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I didn't expect this video to only be 2 minutes long, so I'm sorry if this video was kind of short. Hope you guys know how to edit and make your videos with just your PS4. Obviously you need the editing softwares and stuff, and I'll link the videos on how to get Sony Vegas and Photoshop for absolutely free. So once again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash a like on it and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.